Manja long KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang Arideng Pen Mirakit Dhup Kangpu. Sericulture asai kamatum lisu ketiki pen ningkan isialong suri trok nerkep an kelong. DCK amen pen bangke thomapan areng kepasula pen don thomahem miki kai tekang. HYCP atum HSLC lapen HSSLC sadlang kyu dun tumapan karcho. Dong kamu kamalong NEITE Computer Diploma asal lang kipadupon ang dungkiti. Kardom, bini prime time ang birta kethanabang nili sami villain rong harpi. Nonarjik tha birta ang ton pen. Suarlo tu mithang akeng pen kachi harjak thekje phan pura karisma rong pipi pen kabor ipon. Meraki dhup pinia da porphai kep malong manja along KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council CM Ronghang pen impupon.
Bangso kang puamay along karisma rong pipi pen kaninje pon atengke. Bangso kang pupon along pen suarlo atum sitami mithang aphan chipareng pon thekpo la pen. Bangso miraki dhup along kadakawe bang thong kep suarlo atum chomdat pon long lopusi ninje pon. Bangso hut KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council em pradip rong pipen kaninje pon atengke. Lapuson kabor ipon along unan pen abangke chirap chito dun bomji pusi ninje pon.
For us, the CM Business Fund is going to launch for empowerment of women. It's a great thing to do for us. So, I, on behalf of the KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council, PM in charge of industry, to cooperate with.
Halapu kacetong dun aluhi sarpo KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council CM Ronghang pen kaninje pon atengke. Karisma rong pipi ason thak thak kabor ipon atum dunang jilang anlote sarkar awreng kawi atum ta ason along sai chuklem dun longpo anlote kireng awar sai longpon po pusi ninje pon. Kang puamay along KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Rita Singhi KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council em Pradip Rongpi KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council em Mongol Sing Timong KKAMEC Dominic Ophing Maslay Diputan Committee Chairman Rakro MLA Barim Bidya Singh Ingleng atum chitongdon.
Lisu laki isi theseria the lapen la soang bongpen isi kelang mesen lapen kechu mesen theseria the lisu laki ong dung amuni tatum chini lapen lisu ke penang atuma hemalongta arong chi repsi theglong.
Lason se Bukajan subdivision angkang along long ni lisu abirido isi ke daithor lapen isi ke lakhijan hilo. Daithor along kido abangke along lepen ajok non ke arong thiat do pusi chini don sita lakhijan along abangke non anta do bomlang. Lakhijan along kido lisu abiri along kado kawe rong pharuis replicate ando. Rong pharuis replicate an vet sita aning kanwang suri trok sikep pen suri trok nar kep an sericulture asai kamatup dihin pangrum pondong. Bang suang bong pen lisu abiri along kido atum jongsi amethang asai ateng chiklem ponra lisu aklem jor pon bom asonte la an sosesi dihin pangrum pontu long helang. Bonta officer abang achiklo nowang ohem kachido dam verpen thanga sai kachiklem kle ajok koan ma kelong nangji longpon pedelo lasi lahaya puthak KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council atum chilangdon pamesi kemi Bukajan subdivision angkang along lisuabiri nongnam kachithang bom laki lakhijan along anvetlo lasi KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council atum RD kipi pen kachilangdon si kemeji Bukajan pen anon terang KARBI ANGLONG live.
Signify isiarni anarlo porphai krihini apor malam PDCK amen pen rong asora phan arenga hu kapasola pen hum thomahem mekai tikang chok.
Pani police station angkang mate socheng dhenda constituency kaparlo langkhang ahawar Chandra Athoy teron along People Democratic Council of KARBI Longri asong japo seng terang lapen pang thek ari sang ho bangini atum kon seng teron arta phlikebraisi saran seng teron arta phlikebraisi lapen thong teron arta thongke bachok atuma phan un an arenga hu paso si rong isiamat horen teron romen teron lapen men seng terang atum ahem me kai pitekang laplo seng terang lake Chandra Athoy seng timong arong asor ponta banghini atuma phan ke chini donde PDCK amen pen ke than ahir kang tangrak ajok bangke thoma phan non amat salona simna basti PHC along si lang pon bom lang lasualam karjulong pen pini KARBI ANGLONG Autonomous Council kachirong pipi pen BJP IKE mohila jabang simarong hang piatum keso kachilang bom adiman humridam areng keso atuma phan si kachilang jiaphan EM rong pipi pen kira pajir tekang halapu ahem mi ke kai pi tekang et atum aphanta kache har jak je aphan kerap pajir tekang bangswa jograt atum pen em rong pipi aphan kachuro pajir pon dipu pen camera person sarjip kathar pen tigon tateron bertanang pale
Pinianar lopor pai hiniapor Bukachan Higher Secondary School ahemalong Assam Jatiyabadi Yuva Chatra Parisad Karbi Anglong District Committee atum Kacepatir pipen pining surihni rakresir cap HSLC lapen HSSLC sadlang ki unduno tebapan karchomai pado
Mai along AJYCP ke EDC amai phu jitu phu konpen kacipahem phu amai along aluhi sarpuaman pen Bukajan Magistrate Bemthoi ahunban sanna ECS chitong dun anparta KLABD sarbarim inti Atul Borgehe Noren Hajorika Dulal Datta lapen pinangkit he kiding atum chitong dun mai along chitong dun aluhi atum pen non hejong satlang ki undun bang phu bang phiat tumaphan kachuro lapen afrang an sose kachar lidun pameji aphan eherjumi pajir dun alamsi Thanrenti Bukajan rong sopi angkang arlo pen first division along distinction ki unat tumaphan pangrum pet bang thokner cap atumaphan ipak certificate Pulang gamusa lapen ador kido akitab kecitong dun aluhi atum pen pajir ponsi mai ing samjin pen pachun Bukajan pen anon terang Karbi Anglong life
Computer aputhak kacharli avarsai chu endunra chepathek computer charli dun pen mithang avarsai kachuklem dun thek jiaphan charli dun si kimi
Northeast Institute of Technical Education pendong kamukamalong computer diploma sadlang padoponsi computer kacharli ariso jangatum sadlang pidundenti bangso computer diploma sadlang kapadopon along NEITE director Ranjit Terang lapen staff atum sipatir piponsi patumi bustik ni phai hiniar ni surihini rakresur cap por phai cap pen arni kangsam por phai ke thom apor an sadlang piponlo NEITE pen computer sadlang kapadopon along sadlang ki undun ariso jangatum Computer Diploma Longponpo Certificate of Computer Awareness Mati CCA Diploma in Computer Fundamental Mati DCF Diploma in Computer Application Mati DCA Computerized Professional Accounting Course Mati CPAC Computer Teachers Training Course Mati CTTC Diploma in Computer Application and Programming Mati DCAP Postgraduate Diploma in Computer Application Mati PGDCA Lahai a diploma kilong warsai longponpo hamlen pen Danieling hi Karbi Anglong life
Pini prime time aberta bangke lapan sigang toniglong domi thakmi kardong